The stock market has been going down since January of 2022, but there are different strategies to profit in a bear market where most stocks are going down. Number 1. Buy an inverse ETF. An inverse ETF is set up so that its price rises when the price of its target asset falls. Example, SQQQ. When you see the market is crashing, you can buy SQQQ at $36, then sell later at $52, making $16 per share. Number 2. Another way is to short stocks. Shorting means borrowing the stocks you want to trade with and selling them later at a lower price, earning you the difference. Example, QQQ declining since January of 2022. If you borrowed QQQ in February at $361 and sold in May at $301, you would have made $60 per share shorting the stock. Number 3. Buy a put option. Bidding on the stock to go down. Example, ABC Company shares have a current price of $100 per share. If it goes to $80, you can exercise the option for a profit of $1,500. Number 4. Sell a call option on the falling stock, and if the stock ends below your strike price on expiry date, you get to keep the full premium. Example, ABC Company is currently trading at $100 per share. You sell a call at $105 and earn a premium of $150.